Most people think eating eggs is simple. Crack them, cook them, eat them. But here's what makes eggs actually interesting. It's not about how you cook the egg. It's about what you put around it. Because eggs on their own are just protein and fat. When you add the right vegetables, grains, and ingredients, you completely change how balanced and satisfying the meal becomes. You've probably seen the 7 meals we're about to talk about. But what you might not know is why these combinations work, how to prepare them without making mistakes, and what small changes can turn a basic egg dish into something you'd actually want to eat regularly. By the end of this video, you won't just know 7 egg meals. You'll understand how to build better meals around any protein source. And that's more useful than any recipe. Let's start with the bigger idea. Eggs are convenient. 2 eggs give you around 12 to 14 grams of protein. They're cheap, they cook quickly, and they're available almost everywhere. Protein helps you feel full. It slows digestion. It gives your body something to work with throughout the day. Eggs also contain nutrients like choline, vitamin D, and selenium. But calling eggs healthy by themselves misses the point. What matters more is what you eat with the eggs. Vegetables add fiber, vitamins, and volume. Whole grains provide energy and help you stay full longer. Healthy fats from sources like avocado support nutrient absorption. Other proteins, like chicken, can make a meal more substantial. The combination is what creates balance, not the egg alone. That's the idea we're exploring with these 7 meals. Each one shows you a different way to build a complete dish around eggs. And each one teaches you something you can apply to other meals. Let's start with the simplest one. Meal 1, egg and avocado toast. Egg and avocado toast is everywhere for a reason. It's quick, it's filling, and it actually works as a balanced meal if you build it correctly. Start with whole grain bread, not white bread that digests in minutes. Whole grain toast gives you fiber, which slows digestion and keeps you satisfied longer. Toast the bread until it's golden and slightly crispy. This matters more than you'd think. Soft under-toasted bread gets soggy under the avocado and egg. Mash half an avocado with a pinch of salt, maybe some black pepper or red pepper flakes. Spread it evenly on the toast. Avocado provides healthy fats that help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from the egg. Now the egg. You have options. Poached eggs give you a runny yolk that mixes into the avocado when you cut into it. Fried eggs work if you use minimal oil. Scrambled eggs make the meal easier to eat but less visually interesting. If you want more flavor, add a squeeze of lemon juice on the avocado or a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning on top. This meal works best for breakfast or lunch. It's quick to make, easy to customize, and gives you protein, healthy fat, fiber, and carbohydrates in one dish. But what if you want more vegetables and fewer carbs? That's where the next meal comes in. Meal 2, vegetable omelette. A vegetable omelette sounds basic until you realize most people make it wrong. Here's the mistake: cracking eggs into a pan, throwing in raw vegetables, and hoping it all cooks evenly. What you get is watery vegetables, unevenly cooked eggs, and a disappointing breakfast. Here's how to do it right. Chop your vegetables first. Spinach, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, whatever you have. Keep the pieces small so they cook quickly. Heat a non-stick pan with a small amount of oil or butter. Cook the vegetables first before adding the eggs. This removes excess water, especially from mushrooms and tomatoes, and intensifies the flavor. Once the vegetables are softened, push them to one side or remove them temporarily. Pour in 2 or 3 beaten eggs. Let them cook undisturbed for a few seconds until the edges start to set. Add the vegetables back in on one half of the omelette. Fold the other half over. Cook for another 30 seconds. Done. This method gives you a light, fluffy omelette with vegetables that actually taste good. If you want more protein, add a sprinkle of cheese. If you want more fiber, serve it with a small side of fruit or a slice of whole grain toast. The key here is volume. Vegetables let you eat a larger portion without adding many calories. You feel full because your stomach registers the physical volume of food. But sometimes you want something more filling, something that feels like a complete meal. That's where sweet potato comes in. Meal 3, eggs and sweet potato. Eggs and sweet potato might sound unusual if you've never tried it. But this combination gives you everything you need: protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, and flavor. Sweet potatoes digest more slowly than white potatoes because they contain more fiber. They also have a natural sweetness that balances well with the savory flavor of eggs. Here's how to prepare it. Cut a medium sweet potato into cubes or wedges. Toss them with a small amount of olive oil, salt, and paprika. Roast them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, flipping halfway through. You want them crispy on the outside and soft inside. While the sweet potato roasts, cook your eggs however you prefer. Scrambled, fried, or poached all work. Plate the roasted sweet potato and top it with the eggs. Add a handful of greens like arugula or spinach if you want more vegetables. You can season this with black pepper, garlic powder, or a drizzle of hot sauce. This meal works for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's filling without being heavy. And because sweet potatoes are nutrient-dense, you're getting vitamins A and C along with your protein and fiber. But what if you want something lighter? Something that doesn't feel like traditional breakfast food? That brings us to the next option. Meal 4, Spinach and Egg Salad. Most salads aren't filling. You eat them, and an hour later, you're hungry again. That's because most salads are just greens and dressing. No protein, no substance. Adding eggs changes that. Start with fresh spinach or mixed greens. Add other vegetables like cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, shredded carrots, or bell peppers. These add color, crunch, and fiber. Boil 2 or 3 eggs. Peel them and slice them in half. Place them on top of the greens. Now the dressing. This is where people often ruin an otherwise balanced salad. Skip heavy, creamy dressings loaded with sugar and preservatives. Make a simple vinaigrette instead. Olive oil, lemon juice or vinegar, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. Whisk it together and drizzle it lightly over the salad. If you want more flavor, add a sprinkle of feta cheese, sunflower seeds, or avocado slices. The eggs provide protein and richness. The greens and vegetables add volume and nutrients. The dressing ties it together without making the meal unnecessarily heavy. This works well for lunch. It's light but satisfying, and it's easy to prepare in advance if you boil the eggs the night before. But sometimes you need something more substantial, something that feels like a proper meal. That's where rice comes in. Meal 5, eggs, brown rice, and vegetables. This is one of the most underrated combinations. Eggs, brown rice, and vegetables. Simple, filling, balanced. Brown rice provides complex carbohydrates and fiber. It digests slowly, keeping your blood sugar stable and helping you stay full longer. Here's the easiest way to make this meal. Cook brown rice according to package instructions, or use leftover rice from the fridge. Leftover rice actually works better because it's less sticky. Chop vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, or snap peas. Heat a pan with a small amount of oil. Stir-fry the vegetables until they're tender but still crisp. Push the vegetables to one side of the pan. Crack 2 eggs into the other side and scramble them. Once they're cooked, mix everything together with the rice. Season with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, or sesame oil. You can also add green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This meal is perfect for lunch or dinner. It's filling, flavorful, and easy to customize based on what vegetables you have available. The best part? It takes less than 15 minutes if you already have cooked rice. But if you want something with more depth of flavor, something that feels like a complete dish on its own, the next meal delivers. Meal 6, Shakshuka. Shakshuka is eggs poached in a spiced tomato and pepper sauce. It originated in North Africa and the Middle East, and it's one of the most flavorful ways to eat eggs. Here's what makes it work. Start with onions and bell peppers. Sauté them in a pan with a small amount of olive oil until they soften. Add garlic, cumin, and paprika. Let the spices cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in crushed tomatoes or diced tomatoes. Stir everything together and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The sauce should thicken slightly. Make small wells in the sauce and crack eggs directly into them. Cover the pan and let the eggs cook until the whites are set, but the yolks are still runny. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro. Serve shakshuka with whole grain bread or pita for dipping. The bread soaks up the sauce and makes the meal more filling. This dish is rich in flavor, but not heavy. The tomatoes and peppers provide vitamins and antioxidants. The eggs add protein. The spices make it interesting without adding calories. Shakshuka works well for breakfast, brunch, or dinner. And it's one of those meals that looks impressive but doesn't require advanced cooking skills. But what if you want even more protein? What if you're preparing a meal after a workout or need something more substantial? That's where the final combination comes in. Meal 7. Grilled chicken and egg salad. This is the most protein-heavy option on the list. Grilled chicken and eggs together in one meal. It might sound like too much protein, but when you balance it with vegetables and a light dressing, it works. Start with grilled chicken breast. Season it simply with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Grill or pan cook it until it's fully cooked, then slice it into strips. Prepare a base of mixed greens, spinach, or arugula. Add vegetables like cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, shredded carrots, and red onion. Boil 2 eggs, peel them, and slice them in half. Arrange the chicken and eggs on top of the greens. For the dressing, keep it light. Olive oil and lemon juice work well. You can also use balsamic vinegar or a yogurt-based dressing if you want something creamier. If you want healthy fats, add avocado slices or a handful of nuts. This meal is filling, nutrient-dense, and works well for lunch or dinner. It's especially useful if you've been active and need more protein to support recovery. The combination of chicken and eggs gives you a variety of amino acids. The vegetables add fiber and volume. The dressing adds flavor without making the meal heavy. And because it's mostly vegetables and lean protein, you can eat a large portion without feeling overly full. The bigger lesson. So those are the 7 meals. But here's what's more important than any single recipe. You don't need to follow these exactly. You don't need to eat eggs 7 different ways every week. What you need is a simple formula you can remember. Protein plus vegetables or fruit plus fiber-rich carbohydrate plus healthy fat. That formula works with eggs. It also works with chicken, fish, tofu, or any other protein source. Let's look at examples. Eggs plus avocado plus whole grain toast equals protein, healthy fat, fiber. Eggs plus vegetables plus sweet potato equals protein, fiber, complex carbs. Eggs plus brown rice plus stir-fried vegetables equals balanced, filling meal. Eggs plus leafy greens plus vinaigrette plus whole grain side equals light but complete. Once you understand the formula, you can build meals without needing a recipe. You can open your fridge, see what you have, and create something balanced in minutes. That's more valuable than memorizing 7 specific dishes. The goal isn't to eat eggs 7 different ways. The goal is to learn how to build better meals around a simple, accessible protein source. Eggs are convenient. They're affordable. They cook quickly. But what makes them useful is how easily they combine with other ingredients to create balanced, satisfying meals. So here's the question. Which of these 7 meals would you actually try first? Let us know in the comments.